Boom! Once again, it's your boy Frank. So I forgot to do the fancy intro, but in this video we will be retrofitting again a Toyota Altezza headlight. Stay tuned. By the way, you have to remove all your bumper, so you have to take out this clip right here. So after that you have also some bolts right here. As you can see, this one right here, we have to unbolt them in order to move the bumper off. To remove your headlight, you just have to move it. So you get access to these two bolts that you can see that I have one here and another that is missing there. So let's go ahead and undo those. So after that, you have another one here on top, and this car has a lot of clips missing, by the way. You also have to undo this clip right here, but I don't have it. So as you can see, the light is off. You just have to do basically the same procedure on this side, so you will be able to remove your headlight. So let's start first with this one. Let's take it to the oven. So before we take it to the oven, we have to make sure that we take off all the rubbers. As you can see, you have those rubbers that protects your headlight from water, and you have those plastics that you have to unscrew them and to take them out. So let me just do this and show you how they should go to the oven. The headlight is ready, so now it's time to take it to the oven. If you want to see the process of how to put the headlights into the oven in order to remove the cover, I will post up here or down here the link to the other video that I did retrofitting the headlights, so you can get the more details of that. In the process, so the headlights are on the oven now. We have the headlight separated, so now we are going to take out this chromed part in order to polish, give it a good looking matte black. Prep work is done. This is how they are looking after the third coat. Ooh, this is so exciting. Let's wait until they dry. So now it's time to check if the shrouds will fit. I believe they will. So what we have to do is to take and mount, as you can see, this pin right here for the low beam, since we are not going to use it anymore. So we just have to bend those here on the back with a flat screwdriver, and let's do it. As you guys can see, I've just bended those, and you can push it right away. Voila! So this time we are going to do something different from the last time that I did this, and for this we will be using check this out, those Panamera shrouds. Look at them. They also got blinkers, so as you can see, they are very beauty. They have the running lights, and those are 3-inch instead of 2.5 that we had last time. So let me just lay those right here, and this is the adapter. And also we have, let's open to see, Danielle loves them. So you have here the rubbers and the adapters for the headlight, and you have the projector itself. So as you can see here, guys, we have the projector. We just have to take out the plastic. So the brand is this one, Sinaloy Hin, whatever. So let's take it out from the plastic and install it down there. So this part right here is one of the most important in this video, because on the last one a lot of people asked me, hey, how did you install it into the shroud? So basically you have this kit, right, this ring, you have to take it out, and here on these plastics also you have this rubber. So this rubber sits right there on the light, and then you have those that sits behind the headlight, and this one is the last with this pin. So let's go in parts. So as you can see right here, we have the headlight. So basically we have to make this cable pass through first. Or we will make it pass through here, and as you can see, you just fit it just like this. So then you come here on the back, as you can see, you have to put the ring and tight it. So after that we will be able to put this part right here to make sure we bolt it up and to get everything as it should. The cables for the high beams passing through, I just cutted them out, and as you can see right here on the back, I've just put the ring, and after that we have to put this adapter, which will allow us to insert the shroud, which is down there. I've just installed the ring adapter there, and I just have to disconnect the module from the shrouds, and then I will just insert the shrouds inside. Oh guys, look at this is so exciting. Oh my god. They are becoming amazing. Woo! So let's put it back to the case and try to see how they look. Oh my god. So this is how they're looking now. Oh Jesus. They're looking so good. And we are still having the rings to install. Oh man, this is too exciting. Can't wait.
4 to 6 more days later.
Changes. As you can see, I've just sanded down the projector, yes, this thing, and also the light, so I will be painting this light also. Ooh, boys. Look on how they are looking. Oh yeah. Ooh, the panels look so hot. Let's wait until they dry so we move on. We want to match this in our theme, which is black, so watch me. And as you can see, we have them matching the color, so let's move on and do it the same on the rest. So yeah, that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. So in this first part I showed you how to prep everything and paint and getting everything test fitted in order to do the final project. So in the next video I will be showing you how to get everything back together and see the final result. So I'm so excited, so I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Cheers.